Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm down in my workshop. I've got my Texan H-501X, and I've got connected to it my Mega Loop antenna, and I thought for the heck of it, I would scan the lower band, the Longwave band, and it's 4:50 a.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. I let the radio do a scan, and it found this signal really strong, and I was really excited. It's a beacon at 360 kilohertz. So I went online and searched for 360 kilohertz, and I found this page, and down here, right here, it's a beacon in St. Petersburg, Clearwater. It's probably 5 miles from me, or the most. It's only 25, what's the unit here? 25 something. 25, come on. It doesn't say. Yeah, no, it's watts. It's only 25 watts. So at least I can receive Longwave, but only like across the street. It did not find anything else. I'm going to do a manual tune here, if I can see, because I got the lights turned down. Turn the volume up. And I go to VF mode so I can tune it. There's something there, probably bleed over. Boy, there's some. Probably definitely bleed over from medium wave. Yeah.
Because again.
So we're back down to 100 kilohertz. We'll do a quick scan here. Trying to go slow. I think let me finish this. I think the step size is wrong, because I know I looked up Longwave stations, and there's one at 298, and it skipped right over 298. So I think the step size is wrong, and I don't know right offhand how to change the step size. So I'll have to go back and research that. I originally was going to try Big Bertha, my Grundig 800 satellite, but this one was already hooked up to the to the Mega Loop antenna, so I thought I'd try that. I'm trying to, like I say, I've got the lights turned down so there's no glare. It's real difficult for me to see. And I don't remember, because I haven't used it that much, which of these buttons determines the step size. See what this button does. No. Let me get my flashlight. That'll help a little bit. FM set, no. Long wave on and off. Oh, there's. Let me try 3. Okay. That's interesting. The short wave indicator came on. Let's see how it tunes. Nope. See, if I can't get to 298. Let me plug in 298. 298. Nope, it won't go to 298. So I've got the step size wrong. I'll have to work on that. Anyway, I was able to receive a long wave station. Yeah, one down the street. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, this webpage has all the beacons that are transmitting on long wave, which there are hundreds. I'll put the link to this. And finally, I found the H501 manual online. I'll put the link to that too. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.